A very good morning, children. We are moving with the reading of the chapter first from the book Snapshot. And here we got to see yesterday what Aram and Murad did with the horse and what did they discuss about horse. Okay, so we stopped at the point yesterday that Murad and Aram they enjoyed the horse riding together. And at the last point, Murad said to Ram, just get down of the horse because now he will enjoy this horse riding alone. Okay, so this was the thing. Like, I just start. At last, my cousin Murad said, get down, I want to ride alone. So Murad said to Ram that he wanted to enjoy horse riding alone. Will you let me ride alone? I asked. Now, here Murad wanted to enjoy horse riding alone. In the same way, Aram asked to him, will you let me ride alone? Means, will you also allow me to ride alone on this back of the horse? That is up to the horse. Then what does Murad say? Murad say, this is up to yours, up to the horse. My cousin said, get down. Means to say, I do not know. Will you be able to enjoy horse riding alone or not? It's up to horse. Horse knows what to do. The horse will let me ride, I said. Aram said, okay, horse will allow me to sit on its back and do enjoy the horse riding. We shall see, he said. Don't forget, my dear children, this is the line I just tell you. Don't forget that I have a way. See, first line spoken by Murad to show his superiority on Aram. I have a way with a horse. It means Murad has a good kind of understanding with this horse. With this horse means any horse. A horse it is written, not the horse it is written. So you should keep this point in your mind that every time whenever Murad points out his superiority on Aram, he will use such sentence like I have a way. Okay, sometime with the horse, sometime with the farmer, sometime with the dogs, as we discussed earlier also. Well, I said, anyway you have with the horse, I have also. Aram said, you also. This one, I have a way. Way stands for what? Way stands for understanding. So Aram said, if you have your understanding with the horse, I have also. I also have understanding with the horse. For the sake of your safety, he said, let us hop, get down. Okay. Murad said to him, for your safety, please get down. I will enjoy the horse riding alone now. All right, I said, but remember you have got to let me try to ride alone. Okay, don't forget that I have to ride the horse alone. I got down, Aram got down from the horse, and my cousin Murad kicked his heel into the horse and shouted. See, this heel he kicked over there on his stomach and shouted, and he cried, what? Wazire, run. See, this is the name given by the boy Murad to the horse. Wazir, run. Wazir, go fast. The horse stood on his hind. Hind means these first leg. Okay, snorted, created sound from his nose, and burst into fury. Fury means fast of speed. That was the loveliest thing I had ever seen. Means to say, as the boy Murad kicked his heel on the stomach of the horse stood up on the first legs. Okay, that is called hind. Okay, then he snorted. He created some sound from his nose. Okay, and with full speed, he started running. Okay, that's why Murad said what? The speed, that was the loveliest thing I had ever seen. Means the speed of the horse was so good, so lovely that the boy Murad loved it so much. Thereafter, my cousin Murad raced the horse across a field of dry grass to an irrigation ditches. These are the things because they are in the open area in the fields. So first Murad covered dry grass and thereafter he went to irrigation ditches, crossed the ditch on the horse. Okay, and 5 minutes later returned dripping wet. After taking a round of 5 minutes on this horse, the boy Murad came back dripping wet, means perspiring. The whole body was full of perspiration. The sun was coming up. Now the morning time. See, at 4 o'clock they left the house and they came in the fields. Now it is just morning time. The sun was coming up. Now it's my turn to ride. I said. Aram said, now get down, Murad. It is my turn to enjoy horse riding. My cousin Murad got off the horse. As per his uh, wish, Murad came down from the horse. Ride, he said. Okay, you just enjoy your riding. I leaped to the back of the horse. Means Aram sat on the back of the horse and for a moment and for a short while knew the most awful fear imaginable. What was the fear? That he will throw me down. And that was imaginable. The horse did not move. As he sat on the back of the horse did not move because he was waiting for what? He was waiting for the kick, as it is a symbol to walk for the horse. Kick into his muscle, my cousin Murad said. Now Murad said, kick into his muscle. Okay. What are you waiting for? Murad said, what are you waiting for? Kick in his muscle and let the horse go fast. We have got to take him back before everybody in the world is up and about. Now Murad said, Ram, kick the horse and enjoy your horse riding, and we have to take him back. Back in means somewhere where they could hide the horse because it is morning time and people will come outside and they will catch us. So before the world is up means the people get up from the bed and about they will roam here and there. It's better to hide this horse somewhere before they're coming. So this was the thought process of the boy Murad. I kicked into the muscle of the horse. Then Aram kicked the muscle of the horse. Once again, it read. Okay, it reads means the same situation like standing on the first legs and snorted, created sound. Then it began to run. The horse started running. I didn't know what to do. Murad did not know what to do with the horse. Instead of running across the field to the irrigation ditches, like Murad visited irrigation ditches on the back of horse, but this time the horse did not go to irrigation ditches. The horse ran down the road to the vineyard of Dakran. Vineyard means the orchard of grapes. Grapes. Garden of grapes, simply I should say. So the horse took the way of grapes orchard of Dakran, Halbian, where it began to leap over vines. Means the way the Murad visited, the horse did not take that way. Even though the horse took the another way of the garden or orchard of grapes, and after some time, within some second, the horse started jumping over vines. Vines means creeper of grapes. The horse leaped over 7 vines before I fell. Before I fell means Murad fell down. Because the speed he could not control, okay, and he fell down. Then it continued running. It means the horse threw down the boy Murad on the ground and the horse kept on running. Okay, he continued running. Fine, means to say the horse was out of control of Aram and Aram was falling down on the ground. Ram fell down on the ground and the horse was out of his sight. My cousin Murad came running down the road. He came to him. Murad came to Aram. I am not worried about you. Murad said, Aram, I am not worried about you whether you have got fractured or not. He shouted, we have got to get that horse. Means we need to find out that horse. You go this way and I'll go this way. You go this way means they decide to go to certain directions. If you come upon him, be kindly, I'll be near. We will need to catch the horse. I continued down the road and my cousin Murad went across the field towards the irrigation ditches. Means the way to the road followed by the boy Aram to find out the horse, and Murad went to irrigation ditches to find out the horse. Because right now, my dear children, finding of the horse was a major concern for these two boys, not for their physical, uh, you can say physical loss, especially. Okay, any pain on their bodies, especially for Aram. So they searched the horse. It took him half an hour to find the horse. Lastly, they were able to find out the horse after half an hour and bring him back. They brought the horse back. All right, he said, jump on. The whole world is awake now. Means the world has come out. Means to say it's morning time. Complete morning time. What will we do? I said. Aram asked, what will we do now? Well, he said, we will either take him back or hide him until tomorrow morning. So there were two options. One, they will take the horse with them. Second thing, they will hide the horse somewhere till next morning. He didn't sound worried, and I knew he would hide him and not take him back. Means it was sure. Aram knew it very well that Murad will not take the horse with him. He certainly hide this horse somewhere. Not for a while, at any rate. He will not take this horse with him at any cost. Where will we hide him? I said. Aram asked this question. Where is the place where we can hide this horse? I know a place, he said. Murad said, I know a place where we can hide this horse. How long did you steal this horse? I asked. Aram put a question before Murad. When did you steal this horse? Simply, how long means how before how long time you have stolen this horse. It suddenly dawned on me. Dawned means stared. That he had been taking these early morning rides for some time and had come for me this morning only because he knew how much I longed to ride. So he means Murad clarified that he has been enjoying this horse riding since many days. Means the day and the time has not been confirmed, but today he has come to Aram just to show him, just to let him to enjoy horse riding, as it had been his great desire to sit on the back of a horse and to enjoy horse riding. Even though again here we got to see Murad did not tell all the things to Aram honestly. Okay, then who said anything about stealing a horse? He said. Miss Murad said, who told you about stealing the horse? Anyhow, I said, how long did you begin riding every morning? Since how long? Okay, this is the question put by the boy Aram. No, until this morning, he said. Not till morning, okay? Are you telling the truth? I said. Aram said, do you tell the truth to me? Of course not. Of course not means obviously he had stolen the horse. He said, but if we are found out, if we are caught up, if we are caught up by the people, that's what you are to say. I don't want both of us to be liars. What Aram wants that these two boys should not be liars. All you know is that we started riding this morning. All you know, whatever you know, that we enjoyed this horse riding today morning also. All right, I said. He walked the horse quietly to the barn of deserted vineyard. Barn means go down. Okay, so he walked the horse quietly to the barn of a deserted vineyard, which at one time had been the pride of farmer named Fatavision. Fatavision. Favision. Okay, Favision. So he know a place of a godown of a person named Favision where he could hide the horse. There were some oats and dry alfalfa in the bar in the godown. There will be some oats, okay, and alfalfa. These are the vegetables and dry fruits, oats. We began walking home. So after this discussion, they started, both the boys, they started going to their home. It wasn't easy. It was not easy, he said, to get the horse to behave so nicely, because it was such a great task to make the horse very efficient in behavior. At first it wanted to run wild, means in the beginning the horse wanted to run very fast or without any control. Okay, but as I have told you, I have a way with horse. Dear children, can you tell me who spoke this sentence? I have a way with a horse. None other than but Murad. Why did he speak so? Just to show his superiority on Haram. I can get it to want to do anything I want it to do. Means to say, Murad has the capability to make the horse to do what Murad wants. Okay, horses understand me. Again, dear children, Murad spoke a good sentence. The horses understand me. Means horses and Murad, both of them, they have a flat understanding between two. Okay, there is no difference between the mindset of Murad and horses. So both of them, they understand each other very well. That's why Murad said he has a way with the horse. How do you do this? I asked. I said. Aram said, how can you do this? I have an understanding with a horse. Understanding means the mindset level. Okay. He said, yes, but what sort of understanding? But then Aram asked him, what kind of understanding do you have with horse? I said, a simple and honest one, he said. A simple and honest one. Well, I said, I wish I knew how to reach an understanding like that with the horse. Then Aram asked, can you tell me how can we reach at that understanding point to understand a horse? Then see, again, my dear children, again says, you are still a small boy, he said. Murad said to Aram, you are still a small boy and it's not possible for you to create an understanding between you and horses. Okay, so the boy Murad stopped the talking by saying, you are still a small boy. Again, it is a superior point on Aram by Murad. He said, when you get to be 13, you will know how to do it. It means when Aram will be at the age of 13 years, then he will be able to get whatever Murad has right now. Okay, Fine. Then I went home and ate a hearty breakfast. So Aram went to his home and enjoyed a breakfast over there. Okay, so that's all for today. We will continue the reading tomorrow also, and tomorrow hopefully we will be able to complete this chapter. Got it? Thank you. Have a good day.